Hey guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your MetroBank account. So first off, type in MetroBank in the Google search bar and then you'll see the official link of MetroBank. Click on the link. After that, to create a new account, you just have to sign up and enter these details. As you can see, I have entered all my details. So now I'll just click on next. Now it says to secure your account further, just create a passcode to authorize the transactions. After writing the passcode, you just simply click on I agree and then just scroll down again and again click on I agree. After that, on the confirmation step, it will show you all the details and then just click on next. So for now, I have entered some random informations. That's why it's showing an error. But after this step, it will verify your account and then you are done. Your MetroBank account is created. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.